the brand that matters. Before, during, and after the transaction. Reaching tens of millions of consumers with a precisely targeted plan that builds awareness and helps develop your business. We help generate and cultivate leads. We provide exclusive access to more than 100 million potential customers. We produce engaging content for hundreds of thousands of fans and followers. We put consumers first by representing their point of view. We conduct research, which helps you gain insights into consumers and trends. And we follow that up with the resources you need to drive your business forward. Everything we create is there to help you. For any type of listing, for any type of lifestyle, and for any type of view. We're passionate about all we do. We know that consumers seek more than just a house. They seek a home that will become the setting for the lives they want to live. Be better.